that anchor? Oh, hey. I almost didn't see you there. Wow, this town's great. There's so much to see and so much history. And there's so much salt and pepper. That's right, we saw your comments from the last episode, such as... Arcane 9B3 says, "Hey girl, you're so funny and cute. I'd love to buy you dinner with extra salt and pepper. Hit me up." Or Jeremy D3 says, "I want salt and pepper in my eggs." Well, today we're going to give you just what you want. Salt and pepper. Recently, the town held its annual Lincoln Day festivities. Proprietor Ken Gloss stopped by the library to discuss the value of old and rare books. Looking forward, the League of Women Voters holds their annual warrant review at the town hall. And a plunge is set to take place at Hingham Bathing Beach for a great cause. To wrap up our show, we'll look at some Valentine's Day leftovers on Cooking with Love, and the newest episode of Harbor Interest takes us to the farm. You know, as good as salt and pepper are, they got nothing on Lincoln Day. That's right, I said it, they got nothing on Lincoln Day. It's fine by itself. This year's Lincoln Day started with a militia march to the grave sites of key Hingham historical figures, such as General Benjamin Lincoln. Following this was an assembly in the Old Ship Church where Speaker James R. Conroy spoke about the character and influence of Abraham Lincoln. The day ended with a march down to the Lincoln statue, just outside of Hingham Square, where a wreath was laid, and then everyone retired to Old Derby for refreshments. Whew. Oh man, there's no better place to learn about history than the library. They not only have books, but they have presentations from keynote speakers to inform the public about history. And sometimes through items like, well, I don't know, salt and pepper? But as of recent, the items of interest have been old publications in a historic bookshop. So, no salt or pepper here. Sorry. Ken Gloss, proprietor of the Brattle bookshop in Boston, stopped by the Witten Room at the library to give a presentation on the history of his bookshop and the value of old publications. Ken also provided a free appraisal for items visitors brought in following the talk. No place looks as official as a town hall. It's a place where the public's voice is heard. It's a place where real changes are made. And it's a place where salt and pepper are used during lunchtime in the second floor lunchroom. This year's warrant review will be held in such a place. Not the lunchroom, but in the third floor North Hearing Room. The League of Women Voters will be conducting their annual warrant review in the North Hearing Room at Town Hall on February 28, 2018 at 7 p.m. Articles that will be voted on in this year's town meeting will be discussed and reviewed. Surf's up, brah! Well, we might need a few more seasons before Surf's up, but with a little salt and a little pepper, we can certainly expedite the process. Or we could just jump right in like the folks are doing at the Plunge for Elodie! Yep, people are gonna jump in the water at Hingham Bathing Beach on March 3rd at 8:30 a.m. for a great cause. To benefit EB Research Partnership, the largest nonprofit dedicated to funding research aimed at treating and ultimately curing Epidermolysis Bullosa and Elodie, a young child diagnosed with this rare skin disorder. So make your way to plungeforelodie.org and donate to the cause. And regardless if you can donate, come out March 3rd to make the plunge for Elodie. And now for some of our latest programming. Salt and pepper! On the latest episode of Cooking with Love, Linda Verasso shows us some love with Valentine's Day recipes, including lava cakes and chocolate fettuccine with strawberries. Recipes that clearly do not require salt or pepper. And on the newest episode of Harbor Interest, we tag along with Nathan Wallace, longtime Hingham resident and livestock manager at Weir River Farm, to explore his very real and intimate relationship with animals he breeds and raises for engagement, and others that will go to slaughter. Nathan's career and views on healthy farming and food retail in the modern day are explored to present a portrait of a man that sacrifices a lot for what he does, but never falters in his dedication to what he's most passionate about. All right, well that's it for me. Until next time, anchors away. Oh, I just got a text. Oh, it's from Morgan. She says, we're getting evicted. What's that mean? Oh, she just, looks like she just sent a definition. We're losing our house? Oh. What did I use too much salt? Did I use too much pepper? Maybe they were equally too much of both. Let me see what the comments said. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Adam Tierney 4. Excellent episode, more pepper than salt, but that's okay. What does that mean? So I gotta use more salt? Or am I gonna sleep? Salt and pepper!